Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install HwMonitor for your PC or laptop. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright guys, open up any web browser, head on over to Google and type in HwMonitor, download. And then a whole list of results will appear. The one you want to click on is from CPUID. So HwMonitor softwares. So click onto that from cpuid.com. And now once you're on this web page here, scroll down and click on Setup English 32 and 64-bit version. So click onto that. Ad might appear, just click out of that. And then it will be brought to this page, download HwMonitor. So click on download now. And now, as you can see, that's downloading in the background. Once that is finished downloading, click on HwMonitor 153.exe. Click on yes. Alright, I'm going to set it up in program files. So I'm going to click on next. You can change it if you like, but just recommend keep clicking next. Create a desktop icon. Click on install. Finish. So now if I go back to my desktop here, it should be on my desktop. No, it isn't, so I might need to do a search. So I'll do HwMonitor. Here it is here. So I'm going to click into it. Click on yes. Wait for this to load. Alright guys, as you can see, this is going to show you everything you want to know about your PC, from your temperatures, voltages, powers, clocks, etc, etc. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.